They were passed down from my father. My father inherited them from his mother, and I know that they stayed in her attic for 40 years, and then when she passed away, he sold the house, and he got them out of her house, and he kept them for quite a few years. And then when he got sick, he told me he wanted to talk to me one day and took me in there and showed them to me, and I was really interested in it and contacted the Museum of Art to try to figure out where they came from. Speculation is his grandfather was Patrick Etheridge, who was in the U.S. Life Saving Service stationed down in Hatteras back in the late 1800s. They lived down there, and the speculation is these paintings may have been off shipwrecks in the late early 1900s. We know for a fact that the picture of the lady, the oval picture, has hardware on the back that the Museum of Art was very sure that was used to hang portraits on ships back in those days. So we're pretty sure they came from shipwrecks. I became interested in it and preserving them, and I knew that they were very old. So I contacted the North Carolina Museum of Art, and they agreed to kind of restore those and put them in good working condition. The process was over a year and a half, maybe 2 years to restore those. I think with the help of Norma Houston and Mark Bassnight, who was senator at the time, they helped me get set up with the North Carolina Museum of Art. This was the first project in the restoration. They have, I think they have a program now, but this was the first project that they undertook 20 years ago. The picture of the female has it's all hand-carved oak, and it's oval, and at one time it was golden gilt. Very nice, and the Museum of Art was just about as excited about the frame as they were the picture itself, because it's very unique. And I'd love to find out, especially the girl, find out who she is eventually. I'm hoping that one day somebody will pass through here maybe and have a connection and something will click and we'll be able to figure out this mystery.